They say that the average person has about 60 to 70k thought a day. The challenge is 95% of them are the same thought they had yesterday and that the day before. That you can effect a real big change or transformation if you are doing the same thing right, because you know he's instantly doing the same thing and over again and expecting a different result. So I want to train you to activate your quick brain to you automatically want to act and apply, and the way we do that is by tracking simple steps, making little tiny step. And so what I am going to ask you to do every single morning as part of your morning routine as you are brushing your teeth, using that as a reminder and a trigger to try brushing your teeth with the opposite hand. Now here are a couple reason. Number and one, it's train you to be mindful present. Now what the benefit of the most people are so detected, but how do you maintain your focus and concentration and a world full of app notification and social media and alert and all of those different things that are vying for your attention? You train the muscle of focus and persistence, so when you are brushing your teeth with the opposite hand, it focuses you to be in the moment, and that power of presence, that presence of fitness, that attention muscles that you are building to make it really fit, that will show up when you are need to be present, when you are remembering someone name, when you are reading some time and you get easily distracted. Train dot muscles to be present with what you are reading and also starting to show that number, and it's train your repression and mindfulness. The second reason you want to use the opposite hand there. Reason done at Duke University, the Department of Neuroscience and Biology by Dr. Lorian Scott. He want to find out how to keep senior mind alive as they again and what Dr. Lorian Scott found was simple exercise like eating with the opposite hand or brushing your teeth with the opposite hand. So where you are challenging yourself, that we know that they are a mind-body connection, but they are also a body-mind connection. That as the body move, the brain groups actually stimulate different part of the brain. So what we are doing here is you are trying to brush your teeth with the opposite hand. It's going to feel difficult, it's going to feel a little bit weird, but the reason why you are creating new neural pathways and you're the villains of the mathematical traffic jam that in people's mind when it come to their memories, that they slow to remember things because that feelings it's not clear. And so you're moving things around, you are challenging yourself in new ways, you are making new connection because your body moves, your brain grows. So what I challenge you do for those reasons, number one, train your muscles of fitness, and number two, it trains a difficult and number two, a different part of your mind. And the third reason is you want to train yourself to do difficult things, because here I do believe the point of those challenging with challenge come change that treasure you seek is found in the work you are avoiding, and it train you to little difficult things. Because if you want an easy life, you don't do easy things, right? This easy things is the procurement is put things up, but the hand things is to do hard things, is to do the work that you are need to. Because if you are just to do easy things, life is hard, but if you do the hard things in life becomes easier. So you are training yourself in the first things in the morning to do something difficult. because we are training your muscles, so maybe it showing up in the areas where you need to make a cell call, or you need to give a presentation, or maybe you need to fire somebody, giving them to have a difficulties conversation with them. And so because you build that muscles of grit, so that the third reason, if you are going to different life, you need to change your habits, because first you create your habits, and then your habits create you, and so you get really good doing new things and creating new habit. What other things can you do? Maybe you could creating a habit of mindfulness, a habit of saying I love you, a habit of eating and the food, a habit of working out every single day. So at a mental level you are develop a habit of getting empowering habits. Thank you so much.